Hi, welcome to my channel at danitreehouse. Stay tuned for this look, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, because that would be so nice. We're gonna prime our eyes with primer. So far I use the e.l.f. primer in the shade of Fair, I think it's called. So yeah, we're gonna prime my eyes. Sorry if you hear the sound, but I'm gonna talk louder. Let's prime my eyelids. People put powder in their eyelids, but I don't, because I'm reckless. Our palette is Hard Candy, so messy, and we're gonna use in the shade, I wish it told the shade, wait, in the shade of Roses. We're gonna start with this right here, and I'm using the brush from e.l.f. We're going to put this in our crease. Go back it again. And I do it in a circle motion. It probably doesn't look like in camera, but I am trying. And as I'm blending, I always try to bring it more upper. That's just how I do it. Okay, now we have the pigments in our eyelids, and now we're gonna do it in the shade of Heartbeat right here. We're gonna put it all over our eyelids. Oh, we'll apply more heartbreak in our eyes. And we'll do it up to the crease. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, I think any light pink or any red that you have should be fine, because it's only two colors that you can get to this look. I forgot to put that in the beginning, my bad. We're going back to Roses. That looks scary, I'm sorry. Then we're just gonna blend with the red. Then what I like to do, just because I want it to be more pigmented, I'm going to use my finger on Heartbeat. And just cover up my lids. Then I blend it out without adding any red. Just blend out. See the difference? Then I'm going to finish my face, because I like doing eyeshadow first before doing foundation, concealer, all that stuff. So stay tuned. I forgot to put foundation. Fuck me. I am using NYX Prime Photo Loving Primer, if y'all are curious. I'm using, hope you can focus, it's Wet n Wild foundation. Let's see before. Now since we're done with our face, we're going back to the palette to Rose, which I keep fucking forgetting the name. And we're gonna put it our under eyes. Thank God. Don't be scared to drag it down. We're trying to look dead here. So drag it all the way down. Then bring it from the corner crease. Oh yeah, don't forget to get it here too. Once you have, you can't really see it in camera, but it's pink, alright. So we're gonna go back to heartbeats. I'm gonna go under our eye, but not too low. Remember, hit the corner of your eye so it can connect. We're done with the eyeshadow for now. Wait, yeah, we're done with the shadow. Now we're gonna go through mascara. For our lashes, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. mascara. It's in very black. Can't see it. I don't know why I try. You could do anything with this look. You could put mascara and just leave it like that. Now I'm gonna let my lash dry and I'm gonna do my contour. Use the neck blush. We're gonna use the e.l.f. light highlight in the pearl paint. Using the lashes. I don't know what name it was. I don't know the name of the brand. I'm gonna do flash lashes off camera, so I'll be right back. I put on my lashes. Ah! The sun went down. That's how long I took. Fuck. It's not even that late. I'm in my bathroom now since the sun went down. With the mascara again and go for our bottom lashes. Now we're gonna do lips, which is I'm using the brand called Bite. I don't know what's the name of that. I wish I could show you. I wish I could fucking read, but I guess I could put it at the bottom. Oh well, we'll just deal with that. We're gonna go for the Kat Von D in Vampira, and we're just going to put it in our, like, in the center of our lips. Not too much. And we're gonna pat it. This is the look of how to get this eyeshadow look. Hopefully you guys like it. And I'm sorry that it was very unprofessional, and I tried my best, so hopefully you guys love this tutorial. It's really easy and simple, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye. I totally forgot. Setting spray by Wet n Wild. Oh, look at me, it was shiny.